That's a village. Oh, that's okay. That's all right.
Oh no.
Just flip him over.
The community hasn't even started and we've lost one.
You know what? Everyone goes through hardships. Sometimes you lose an eye.
Today's episode is brought to you by Boost Mobile. Switch to Boost and save. Hey you guys, welcome back to What the Flavor. Joslyn Davis is here today. I lose my appetite at the very sight of a sad, soggy, boring lunch. So today I thought we would take on bento boxes to see if we can make lunch more adorable and more exciting.
I love the idea of bringing my lunch to work.
Yeah.
It's just so sad and so forgettable. And the fridge here, forget about it. Ew.
Speaking of the fridge, I went in there yesterday and
I'm
documented some of the saddest packed lunches you've ever seen. So I decided it was time to make a switch from boring lunches
Boost shakalaka.
to exciting bento box lunches.
And thanks to Boost Mobile, your packed lunches will never be the same again.
Okay, so you guys know that we are not the most DIY savvy folks. So
Say what? Speak for yourself. Just kidding. You're
I'm
right.
sorry, I'm talking to a booty guru here. So I spent so much time on Instagram getting inspiration for these bento boxes because I really want to make it cute.
So cute. Food is so much more fun to eat when it's aesthetically pleasing.
And tiny.
And so little.
The very first step is making these cute little bear rice balls. I hope it's so cute that we want to name him.
Okay, well let's meet him first and then name him. Because it's like, you know, when your babies are born.
You
Which
know their personality. So all you have to do is get one of these little cookie cutter things,
That's adorable.
fill it up with some sticky rice.
Okay, so try just stuff it in there.
And then you need, this is like your,
My lid.
yeah. I was gonna say presser, but I think it's just a lid.
Oh! Oh my gosh, so this, okay, wow, I'm so late to the party. You just press this all the way through and then it just pushes it out. It's like a push pop for rice.
How does his head look?
Look.
It's a nice shape.
I think it looks actually so much better than I was anticipating, but is he supposed to have eyes? Well,
we're gonna make the eyes later.
we are? Okay, cool. I feel like I'm holding my baby for the first time. Like this is like a lactation moment or something.
So the second part of our bento village, our bento community,
Yes.
are our egg people.
Egg people.
The look in your eye was so terrifying.
No, I actually love eggs, one of my favorite proteins. And you need a balanced meal for lunch because how else do you keep going for the rest of the day? Very important, Erin.
Very fun fact. Thank you so much. We're gonna be making a Tamagoyaki egg roll, which is kind of a traditional Japanese egg roll.
Fun fact, I actually had a Japanese babysitter when I was a kid and she would make us eggs. Always everything had rice with it and she would put soy sauce in the eggs, which is so good.
I've never had soy sauce, but I love salt.
You've never had soy sauce?
Not in my eggs, I'm sorry.
I was about to have a come to Jesus moment with you, girl. I was like, we have some, I'm gonna pour it in your mouth right now.
So here's the trick on this. Are
All
you
right,
ready?
tell me.
Because we wanna make a little roll.
All right.
So we wanna make a thin layer of egg first. So we
And
wanna
this
use
pan is specifically for the Tamagoyaki,
yeah, exactly.
right? Okay,
So only, don't go big.
just a thin layer. You tell me, is that enough? No. You want it to fill the whole base of the pan, right?
That's good. And the shape of it's like easy to scoop out.
How cool!
I know I'm gonna steal this from the set when this is over with. All right, I'm gonna do a little one.
Oh, so you're folding, literally?
Look, isn't that so fun?
What? This is very satisfying.
Wait till you see what happens next.
Hold on a minute, Erin.
I know I can do something. It's pretty shocking.
This is so cute.
All right, so what I need you to do.
All right, I'm ready.
Pour the rest of it in there.
Okay. Is it able to touch?
Yeah. No, I want it to
Are you
touch.
sure?
I want it to touch fingertips.
I don't understand what we're doing. Now we have our egg roll.
Yeah, and I'm gonna let it cool because when you start decorating it, things start getting a little slippery and slimy. So I'm gonna let it cool for a moment. What goes perfectly with eggs, Joslyn?
Cheese, bacon, avocado, soy sauce, salsa,
None of those things.
seed bread.
Nope. I was gonna say sausage.
Oh, sausage.
So I have some
You
sausages.
look like you've got something up your sleeve. Got some sausages up there?
I could probably have an entire freezer section on my sleeve.
Like a nice little bratwurst or maybe like a vegan black bean sausage.
Ooh, yes, I like
Erin.
calling it sausage.
Oh.
Everyone, I got some little canned Vienna sausages. Have you had these in a minute?
I've never had those. You know my relationship with Vienna sausage and our sordid past. What are you expecting me to do with this knife?
I'm gonna walk you through it. Be careful.
All right. Oh my gosh.
So
Holding
take
it
your
is even
tiny
weirder.
sausage.
So
Pick the
little.
side that has more of a hat shape.
What type of hat? Like
More
a baseball
beanie.
cap? Oh, a beanie. This one has like 2 strong hats on both sides, but I'm gonna say this is the better hat.
Yeah, the opposite side's what you're gonna cut into to make its little leg. So you just do, because it's an octopus. I forgot to mention that.
I'm so confused, but I'm in for it.
We're making an octopus.
Right?
So you want it to
gotta
have
be my
8
guess.
legs. So you don't cut all the way through because you need to have a head, you know? Of
course.
So you can decorate it. Okay, so see now I've got, oh, I broke his leg.
Erin!
It's okay, he's special.
What do I do with him? Is
Mine's
this like
down
a
to 6. Just put him in the pan.
with the legs spread or closed?
I think it'll open as it cooks, you know?
Oh, right.
Let's do a couple more.
Smell your fingers.
I don't want to.
It's like dog food, cat food. Food for your children, food for you.
The beauty of a bento box is you have to fill it with lots of extra accessories, and cheese shapes are a great way to do that.
Okay, cool.
And they're really fun to make, actually. So I ordered a bunch of these little cutters that you can also use in fruit, vegetables, and things like that.
All
so
right.
just grab one of these bad boys.
Okay, cool.
And a good trick with these is you don't have to empty them every time.
Okay.
Just kind of like build it up in there. And see, look how cute they are, and they're so tiny.
That's adorable.
You can also do this with fruits and vegetables. You
Okay.
can cut it.
All right.
This is a very aggressive knife.
So with this first one, I guess I'll try this. This is like a little bunny rabbit ear thing. This is awesome. This is really fun.
And that way you get your fruits and your vegetables.
And I feel like a lot of parents also have to like trick their kids into eating this kind of stuff. So if it's fun looking, it's probably a lot more likely that they'll eat it.
Sometimes I have to trick myself. All right, Joslyn, now that we've cooked our main ingredients, it is time to assemble le box.
Ooh, and this is a bento box. They're so cute.
This is a bento box, and they come in all kinds of shapes and colors, but this one was the biggest one I could find. So we're gonna have to really fill this bad boy up.
Here's what I like about this too, is that this would fit into a backpack or your purse like pretty easily, and the lid's very sturdy.
Yeah, you and I are gonna decorate this together.
I'm ready. What do we do first?
Well, now we have to build our faces
Okay.
off of our creatures.
Right.
So I have seaweed here,
Awesome.
and I have these little stamps that you can use to slide the seaweed in and cut out little faces. Which face speaks to you the most?
I like this guy.
Because he's just so happy.
Looks super, super happy, full of joy.
You have to press down pretty hard and pretty fast.
Oh.
Ah, so cute. And I want to make 3 people.
Okay.
So I'm gonna cut one head and then the second head. So you just place them on,
Oh.
you know, and start making little faces out of them.
How adorable. There we go.
So that's super cute.
I'm kind of impressed that we just did that.
I am too. And now let's just go ahead and place it in our box
All
while we're
right.
here.
Are we putting all the creatures in, or do we have to like pick a hero?
We put all the creatures in.
Great.
It's a community.
Oh, right. It's a
Okay.
village. Oh.
Oh
Just
no,
flip him
the
over.
community hasn't even started and we've lost one.
You know what? Everyone goes through hardships. Sometimes you lose an eye.
So now we get to like design the homes, the parks. So what you can do is kind of like,
Oh, everybody needs trees.
yeah. I also got these cute little picks that go through cherry tomatoes. Look.
This is really cute.
Oh my God.
Oh, is that a giraffe?
Yes. Let's just tuck them in here, like inside the broccoli like that.
I love
Like they're
this.
hiding
This
in
is
the woods.
really cute.
All right, now I think we should put our rice bears in.
Great. That's so cute.
So if you want to make little bear faces,
Oh, is that the nose?
yeah, you can do like a little,
Use a little mayonnaise and put it on there.
yeah. Oh my gosh.
That's cute.
So cute. How many times have you said cute in this episode?
A lot.
How do you feel about this?
I'm feeling pretty good, but you know me, I feel that more is more. Is there anything else we can put in here?
Well, I do have these cute little sauce containers.
Are these soy sauces?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
You can't have rice without soy sauce or egg, apparently.
Do you fill these up yourselves, or do they come like this?
No, you fill them up yourself. It comes with like a little syringe.
Okay, here's the other thing I love about all this stuff is that it's all reusable.
Yeah.
It's not like you're putting a bunch of trash, plastic, paper out there. You can reuse all this stuff, which is awesome.
But there were so many accessories. Like, I feel like I bought more stuff for this episode than for any episode of What the Flavor.
But it's inspiring. It's really like what inspires you to create this food and then eat it, which is the best part.
You guys, this is our final bento box creation, our bento community. I would love to do a docu-series about them and the day in their life.
They do come to life after we close the box on the lid. You know that's true.
What should we name them?
Enchanted community of garden folks.
I love that.
Yep, just
I
popped
want to
right
move
into my
there.
head. And I feel like that is what this is, the enchanted community of garden folks plus one sea creature, done.
All right, guys, let us know how Joss and I did on our very first bento box. I'm so proud of us.
We nailed it, duh, obvious.
Totally. Also, let us know in the comments how you make your lunch more exciting. We need some hints.
And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you can get more amazing videos like this every single week.
All right, you guys, that's it. We'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye. And to watch another amazing Clevver style video, click right here. And thanks again to Boost Mobile for sponsoring today's episode. Don't forget to switch to Boost and save.